Welcome to our exploration of redshift, one of the most important concepts in cosmology. Redshift is the key phenomenon that allows us to understand how the universe is expanding. In this presentation, we'll discover how light stretches as it travels through space, and why this stretching tells us so much about the cosmos. By understanding redshift, we can measure the vast distances between galaxies and determine how fast the universe is growing. So what exactly is redshift? Imagine light as a wave traveling through space. When these light waves get stretched out, their wavelengths become longer. In the spectrum of visible light, longer wavelengths appear red, while shorter wavelengths appear blue. That's why we call this phenomenon redshift. When light waves stretch, they shift toward the red end of the spectrum. Think of it like pulling a spring apart. The waves get spread out, and the distance between each wave crest increases. To understand redshift, we first need to understand the Doppler effect. You've probably experienced this before. When an ambulance drives toward you, its siren sounds high-pitched. As it drives away, the pitch drops lower. This happens because sound waves get compressed when the source moves toward you, creating a higher frequency. When the source moves away, the waves stretch out, creating a lower frequency. The same principle applies to light from celestial objects. When an object moves toward us, its light waves compress and we see a blue shift. When it moves away, the waves stretch and we see a redshift. Scientists use a simple formula to measure redshift. The redshift parameter, denoted by the letter Z, equals the change in wavelength divided by the original wavelength. Let me break this down. The change in wavelength is how much the light has stretched. The original wavelength is what the light looked like when it was first emitted. When we calculate Z and get a positive value, it tells us the object is moving away from us. The larger the Z value, the faster the object is receding and the more the light has been stretched. Astronomers have identified three distinct types of redshift. First is Doppler redshift, which occurs when objects physically move through space relative to us. Second is gravitational redshift, which happens when light climbs out of strong gravitational fields, like those near black holes or neutron stars. The light loses energy as it escapes, causing its wavelength to increase. Third, and most important for understanding the universe, is cosmological redshift. This type occurs because space itself is expanding, stretching the wavelengths of light as they travel across vast cosmic distances. Cosmological redshift is the cornerstone of modern cosmology. Unlike Doppler redshift, where objects move through space, cosmological redshift happens because space itself is expanding. As the universe grows, it stretches the fabric of space, and light traveling through that space gets stretched along with it. The farther away a galaxy is, the longer its light has been traveling, and the more expansion has occurred during that journey. This means distant galaxies show greater redshift values. The light spent more time traveling through expanding space, accumulating more stretching along the way. In the 1920s, astronomer Edwin Hubble discovered a fundamental relationship between distance and velocity. This relationship, now called Hubble's law, states that a galaxy's recession velocity equals the Hubble constant multiplied by its distance from us. The recession velocity, represented by v, is how fast the galaxy appears to be moving away. The Hubble constant, h0, represents the current expansion rate of the universe. Distance, represented by d, is how far the galaxy is from Earth. This beautifully simple equation reveals that the farther away a galaxy is, the faster it recedes from us, providing direct evidence for an expanding universe. So how do astronomers actually measure the expansion of the universe? The process involves 4 key steps. First, we observe spectral lines from distant galaxies. These are specific wavelengths of light absorbed or emitted by elements in the galaxy. Second, we compare these observed wavelengths with the known wavelengths measured in laboratories here on Earth. Third, we use the redshift formula to calculate exactly how much the light has been stretched. Finally, we apply Hubble's law to determine both the galaxy's distance and the expansion rate of the universe. This powerful method has revolutionized our understanding of cosmic evolution and confirmed that we live in an expanding universe.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.